Welcome to today's exploration of cutting-edge technology. In a world increasingly driven by artificial intelligence, the ability to harness its power is becoming more and more valuable. But what if you could build your own AI-powered tools without writing a single line of code? That's the promise of Google Opal, an exciting new experimental project from Google Labs. In this video, we'll dive deep into what Google Opal is, explore its capabilities, and, most importantly, discover how it can help you unlock new levels of creativity and productivity. Get ready to see how building with AI is becoming accessible to everyone. So, what exactly is Google Opal? At its core, Opal is a no-code platform that empowers you to create and share AI-powered mini-apps. Think of it as a visual playground where you can bring your AI ideas to life simply by describing what you want. Forget complex programming languages and intricate coding structures. Opal uses a natural language interface, meaning you can tell it what you want your app to do in plain English or any other supported language. Opal then translates your descriptions into a visual workflow. Imagine a flowchart where each step represents an action or an AI model. You can see how your app processes information, connects different AI tools, and ultimately achieves its goal. This visual approach makes it incredibly intuitive to understand and even to fine-tune your creations. Whether you're looking to summarize text, generate creative content, analyze data, or even manipulate images and videos using Google's advanced AI models like Gemini, Imagen, and Veo, Opal provides a user-friendly canvas to do it all. It's about making the power of these sophisticated AI tools accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Let's delve into some of the key features that make Google Opal so powerful and user-friendly. First, there's the natural language input. This is where your journey begins. You simply describe the functionality you envision for your mini app. For example, you might say, I want an app that takes a product description and generates 3 catchy social media posts. Opal's AI understands your intent and starts building the underlying workflow. Next is the visual workflow editor. Once Opal has interpreted your initial request, it presents you with a visual representation of the process. You might see a block for inputting text, another block representing a language model, and a final block for displaying the generated social media posts. You can easily rearrange these blocks, add new steps, connect different AI models, and refine the prompts that are sent to them. This visual feedback loop is incredibly helpful for understanding and controlling how your AI app works. A crucial aspect of Opal is its ability to chain prompts, models, and tools. This means you can create multi-step applications that perform complex tasks. For instance, you could build an app that first analyzes customer reviews using a language model, then summarizes the key feedback, and finally generates suggestions for product improvements. Opal seamlessly connects these different AI capabilities. Finally, sharing is built right in. Once you've created a mini app you're happy with, you can easily share it with others via a simple link. Anyone with the link can then use your creation with their own Google account, making collaboration and the distribution of your AI-powered tools incredibly straightforward. Now, let's explore the exciting part. How can Google Opal actually help you and others in your daily lives and work? The possibilities are truly vast. But let's look at some concrete examples. For content creators, imagine you're a blogger struggling to come up with engaging headlines. With Opal, you could create a mini app that takes your blog post draft and generates a list of compelling titles and meta descriptions, saving you time and boosting your SEO. Or perhaps you need to quickly repurpose a long article into a series of engaging social media posts for different platforms. Opal can automate that process. Video creators could use Opal to generate script ideas, create compelling video descriptions, or even brainstorm visual elements. For small business owners, think about the time spent crafting personalized customer emails. An Opal Mini app could take basic customer information and generate tailored messages for different scenarios, improving customer engagement and saving valuable hours. Need to quickly analyze customer feedback from online reviews? Opal can help you summarize key trends and identify areas for improvement, all without needing a data science team. You could even create an internal tool to quickly generate marketing copy for new products. For students and educators, Opal can be a powerful learning tool. Students could create apps to help them summarize research papers, generate practice questions on a specific topic, or even brainstorm ideas for essays. Educators could build interactive learning tools or quickly generate quizzes and study materials, making learning more engaging and efficient. For everyday tasks. Even for everyday tasks, Opal can be incredibly useful. Need to quickly translate a document into multiple languages? There's an Opal app for that. Want to summarize a lengthy email thread? Opal can do it in seconds. Planning a trip and need to brainstorm potential itineraries based on your interests? Opal can help you generate ideas and even suggest activities. These are just a few examples. The beauty of Google Opal lies in its flexibility and the fact that anyone can create a mini app tailored to their specific needs and challenges. As more AI models and tools become integrated, the potential applications will only continue to grow. So, how can you get started with Google Opal? As it's currently in public beta in the US, access might be limited depending on your location. However, if you are eligible, getting started is designed to be straightforward. You'll typically need a Google account to access Google Labs and find the Opal project. Once you're in, you'll likely be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. The process usually involves clicking a Create New App button and then starting to describe what you want your app to do in the text input field. From there, Opal will guide you through the process of building and refining your visual workflow. Don't be afraid to experiment and iterate. The beauty of a no-code platform is that you can quickly test different ideas and see the results in real time. Google likely provides tutorials and documentation to help new users get acquainted with the platform and explore its various features. Google Opal represents an exciting step towards a future where AI development is no longer confined to those with specialized coding skills. By democratizing access to powerful AI models through a user-friendly no-code platform, Google is empowering individuals and businesses to innovate and solve problems in new and creative ways. While still in its experimental phase, Opal has the potential to unlock a wave of user-generated AI applications, leading to increased productivity, enhanced creativity, and ultimately, a more AI-powered world that is accessible to everyone. Google Opal is more than just a tool. It's an invitation for anyone with an idea to harness the power of artificial intelligence and bring that idea to life. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more intuitive and powerful ways to interact with AI. Keep an eye on Google Labs and the development of Google Opal. It's a space brimming with potential and one that could fundamentally change how we all interact with and benefit from artificial intelligence. Thanks for joining us today to explore this exciting new frontier.